Ever wondered why some makeup looks just pop on certain people? A lot of it comes down to face shape, and today we're diving deep into one of the most striking, the square face. Think of iconic beauties from the golden age of Hollywood to today's superstars. Many of them share this strong, beautiful facial structure. The key features of a square face are a defined jawline, and the forehead, cheekbones, and jaw being roughly the same width. This creates a powerful and balanced look. But the secret to taking that look from beautiful to absolutely breathtaking, it's all in the highlight. Highlighting isn't just about adding shine, it's about sculpting with light. For a square face, the goal is to soften the angles slightly and bring a beautiful, gentle dimension to the center of the face, making the cheekbones the star of the show. Let's rewind a bit. The art of contouring and highlighting isn't new. It dates back to the stage actors of the 1500s who used chalk and soot to make their features visible to the audience under candlelight. Fast forward to the black and white film era, and makeup artists became masters of shadow and light. They had to be without color. They used grayscale contouring to shape faces, define features, and convey emotion on screen. For actresses with square faces, they would strategically place lighter makeup on the cheekbones to make them appear more prominent and rounded, drawing the viewer's eye upward and away from the stronger jawline. This created a classic, soft-focus glamour that we still admire today. They understood that where light hits, the eye goes. It was pure artistry, creating illusions of depth and softness that translated beautifully on camera. So, how do we bring that old Hollywood magic into our modern makeup routine? First, let's talk about placement. This is the most crucial step for a square face. You don't want to apply highlighter in a long, straight line along the top of your cheekbone that can actually emphasize the width of your face. Instead, we're going for a more rounded, lifted effect. Imagine a soft C shape. Start your highlight on the high point of your cheekbone, just below the outer corner of your eye. Then, curve it up slightly towards your temple. This C-curve technique softens the edges of the face and creates a beautiful, lifted illusion. You can also add a small touch of highlight right on the apple of your cheek. Just smile, find that roundest part, and pop a little glow right there. This brings focus to the center of your face, adding a lovely fullness and youthfulness. Now, what about the formula? This is where personal preference comes in, but some formulas work better for this technique. A cream or liquid highlighter is fantastic for creating that soft, dewy, lit from within look. You can tap it on with your fingertips, which warms up the product and helps it melt seamlessly into your skin. This gives you a very natural finish, like your skin is just naturally radiant. For a more intense, glamorous look, a powder highlighter is your best friend. Use a small, fluffy brush knot. A big fan brush, as that can spread the product too widely. A smaller, more tapered brush gives you precision. Lightly sweep the powder along that same C-curve we talked about. Remember, the key is to build the product slowly. It's always easier to add more than it is to take it away. You want a glow, not a stripe of glitter. Let's put it all together. Start with your base makeup done. Take your chosen highlighter. Let's use a cream one for this example. Dab a small amount on the back of your hand. Using your ring finger, gently tap the product onto the high point of your cheekbone. Start blending it upwards and outwards, following that gentle curve toward your temple. Don't drag the product. Use soft tapping motions. This keeps the placement precise and the blend seamless. Next, smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Take the tiniest bit more product and tap it right on the center of the apple. Look at the difference it makes. It instantly lifts the face and gives you this beautiful, healthy radiance. To complete the look, you can add a tiny dot of highlighter on the tip of your nose and on your Cupid S-bow to tie everything together. This creates a harmonious glow across all the high points of your face. And there you have it. It's not about changing your face shape, but celebrating it. The square face is strong, balanced, and timelessly beautiful. By mastering the art of highlighting, you can soften the angles, create dimension, and really make your gorgeous cheekbones the centerpiece. It's a technique that has been passed down from the masters of the silver screen, adapted for our modern world. So next time you do your makeup, think about sculpting with light. Play with different formulas, perfect your placement, and watch how a little glow can completely transform your look. Thanks for watching.